All right, so from Friday's quiz, overall things looking pretty good. The main thing I noticed was some people having some trouble with natural logs and e. I think maybe just not quite understanding that they are the same as log. Like natural log is literally just log base e. So like this right here is the same exact problem. Okay, so a lot of times I just write the little e here just as like a reminder to myself that okay, this is base e. But that's all natural log is. Natural log is just specifically saying, hey, this is log, was just always base e. So in this case, to solve for this x, we want to get the x, we want to isolate it by itself. So because it's kind of trapped in this natural log right now, we're going to convert it to an exponential. So as an exponential, this would be e to the fifth equals 3x. Now at this point, you have to remember that e is not a variable. E is a number, just like pi or any of these other kind of weird irrational values we have in math. So e to the fifth is something. It's this decimal. Remember, e is like 2.78. So in this case, we can just go ahead and write that 148 point, we'll just call it 0.4. Won't do much rounding here. All we need to do to solve now is divide by 3. And we've got ourselves an answer. So if I divide my value by 3, there we go. You can call it 0.5, 0.47. I don't know, wasn't specific on what to round to here, so we're good either way. All right. Next one, a little more complicated. But again, it's base e. If you're working with base e, then this problem is eventually going to be a natural log problem. So what do we need to do is we need to isolate this exponential first. So go ahead and divide by 4. Cool. That gets us to e to the 2x minus 4 equals 1. All right. So now we can write this as a natural log, right? Because natural log is base e of 1 equal to 2x minus 4. All right. Natural log of 1 is going to be a number. Specifically, it's 0, which makes sense. If we think about it, that's saying e to what power is 1, and anything to the 0 power is going to be 1. So we're going to get 0 equals 2x minus 4. And that's an easy solve from here. Add the 4 over, divide by the 2. So x is 2. One of the beauties of these problems, too, is once you get your answer, if you just want to check and make sure it's right, you can. So if we just type this in, let's see if it equals 4. So 4e to the 2 times 2 minus 4. And it does, in fact, equal 4. And if we want to check this one out up here, natural log of 3 times, and this one we rounded, so it's going to be off by a little, but it should be basically 5. And it is. So keep that kind of stuff in mind. If you know you can check your answer, you'd be silly not to.